Hello students. Today we are going to solve important multiple choice questions of chapter 9, that is reproduction in animals. So let's see our first question. Our first question is internal fertilization occurs in female body, outside female body, in male body, or outside male body. So, students, we have studied that internal fertilization occurs inside the female body. So, its correct option is option A. Next question. A tadpole develops into an adult frog by the process of fertilization, metamorphosis, embedding, or by budding. So we know that a tadpole develops into an adult frog by the process of metamorphosis. So its correct option is option B, metamorphosis. Next question. The number of nuclei present in a zygote is option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, or option D none. So students, the number of nuclei present in a zygote is, so its correct option is option A 1. Next question. The male reproductive organ is ovary, testis, budding, or none of these. So students, we know that the male reproductive organ is, so its correct option is option B, testis. Next question. Dolly was born on 14 February 2000, 10th February 2010, 5th July 1996, or 26th Feb 2004. Yes, students, Dolly was a cloned sheep. So, Dolly was born on 5th July 1996. So, its correct option is option C. Next question. What is shown in this diagram? So students, we see that in this diagram, we have shown amoeba. This is a diagram of amoeba in which amoeba divides into two to form two daughter amoebae. So what is shown in this diagram? In this diagram, it is shown binary fission. So its correct option is option B, binary fission. So it is binary fission in amoeba. Next question. Name the structure formed after fertilization. Option A, fetus. Option B, zygote. Option C, embryo. Or option D, none of these. So, the structure formed after fertilization is called zygote. So, its correct option is option B. Next question. The fertilization takes place in female body are called external fertilization, internal fertilization, both 1 and 2, or none of these. So students, we know that the fertilization which takes place inside female body is called internal fertilization. So its correct option is option B. Next question. Fetus continuously develop in liver, uterus, ovum, or ovary. So its correct option is that fetus continuously develops in uterus. So its correct option is option B. Next question. New organism developed by bud in amoeba, hydra, metamorphosis, or option D all. So students, we know that new organism developed by bud, in which organism it is in hydra. So its correct option is option B, hydra. Next question. What is the larva of a frog called? toad, pupa, tadpole, or adult? So students, we know that larva of frog is called tadpole. So its correct option is option C, tadpole. Next question. By the fission of one amoeba, two amoeba are produced. What is name of such mode of reproduction? Budding, gametes, binary fission, or vegetative propagation? So, the process by which one amoeba divides into two amoeba, then that process is not, then that mode of reproduction is called binary fission. So, its correct option is option C. Next question. When did Dolly clone die? 14th Feb 2002, 14th Feb 2003, 14th Feb 2004, or 14th Feb 2005. So, Dolly clone died in 14th Feb 2003. So, its correct option is option B. Yes, students, now we are going to solve important multiple choice questions of chapter 11, that is force and pressure. So let's see our first question. When we press the bulb of a dropper with its nozzle kept in water, air in the dropper is seen to escape in the form of bubbles. Once we release the pressure on the bulb, water gets filled in the dropper. The rise of water in the dropper is due to pressure of water, gravity of the earth, shape of rubber bulb, or atmospheric pressure. So, its correct option is option D, that due to atmospheric pressure, water rises up into the dropper. Next question. Force acting per unit area is called gravitation, pressure, force, or friction. So, force acting per unit area is called pressure. So, its correct option is option B. Next question. Force is a pressure, friction, push, or pull. Option D, more. So its correct option is that force is a push or pull. So its correct option is option C. Next question. Atmospheric pressure is less, never, medium, or more. Students, we know that atmospheric pressure is always more. Atmospheric pressure is more. So its correct option is option D. Next question. Example of non-contact force is charged object, magnetic force, sharp tool, or none of these. So among all these four options, example of non-contact force is magnetic force. So its correct option is option B. Next question. Dash apply pressure on the surface of the container. Pressure, nerves, friction, animal. So students, please correct this option. This is dash apply pressure on the surface of the container. So its correct option is liquid. So in this option there is no liquid option. So its correct option will be liquid apply pressure on the surface of the container. So its question should be written as liquids apply dash on the surface of the container. So liquids apply, so its correct option will be option A, liquids apply pressure on the surface of the container. Students, please correct this question. Next question. The force of friction on a moving object always act in the direction of motion, opposite to the direction of motion, in the direction of motion upwards, opposite to the direction of motion to motion downwards. So the force of friction on a moving object always act. So its correct option is opposite to the direction of motion. So its correct option is option B. What are the types of forces? 3, 4, 5 or 7. So there are 5 types of forces. So its correct option is option C, 5. So students, these 5 types of forces are muscular force, frictional force, magnetic force, electrostatic force and gravitational force. So there are 5 types of forces. Next question. Frictional force is produced because of irregularities in two contacting surfaces, to stop moving object, to make an object move easily, or option D, none. So frictional force is produced because of, so its correct option is irregularities in two contacting surfaces. So its correct option is option A. Next question. Why is the base of a wall kept wide? To increase the pressure on the base of the wall, to decrease the pressure on the base of the wall, to make the wall beautiful, or all of the above. So students, we know that the base of a wall is kept wide to decrease the pressure on the base of the wall. So its correct option is option B. Next question. Why a ball rolling on the floor stops after some time? Ball becomes light due to friction. Ball becomes heavy due to gravitational force. So students, why a ball rolling on the floor stops after some time? So this is due to friction. So its correct option is option B. Next question. A coin when dropped left from certain height starts moving towards the earth under the influence of gravitational force, muscular force, magnetic force or electrostatic force. So students, when we drop a coin from certain height, it starts moving towards the earth under the influence of, so its correct option is option A, under the influence of gravitational force. Next question. While carrying luggage on the railway station, a coolie often rolls his cloth and places it on his head to increase force, increase pressure, reduce weight, reduce pressure. So students, we see that while carrying luggage on a railway station, a coolie often rolls his cloth and places it on his head to reduce pressure. So its correct option is option D. Yes, students, now we are going to solve important multiple choice questions of chapter 12. So let's see our first question. 4 children were asked to arrange forces due to rolling, static, and sliding frictions in a decreasing order. Their arrangements are given below. Choose the correct option. Yes, students, now we have to arrange these frictions in decreasing order. So if we arrange these forces in decreasing order, then we will put static friction at first place. Static friction will be more, then sliding friction, and then rolling friction. So its correct option will be option C. Next question. Alida runs her toy car on dry marble floor, wet marble floor, newspaper, and towel spread on the floor. The force of friction acting on the car on different surfaces in increasing order will be. Yes, students, now we have to arrange force of friction in increasing order. It means that we have to put that force of friction which is less on its first place. So its correct option will be uh, yes, its correct option will be option A. Wet marble floor, then there will be slightly more friction on dry marble floor, then there will be slightly more friction on newspaper, and there will be more friction on towel than newspaper. So its correct option will be option A. Next question, which of the following is not the type of friction? Static friction, sand, sliding friction, rolling friction. So among all these four options, which one is not the type of friction? So its correct option is option B, sand. Next question. In this diagram, a boy put a feet on banana. Yes, in this diagram, we see a boy put his feet on banana. Then what will happen? Walking, throwing, running, none of these. Yes, what will happen to this child when he put his feet on banana? Then it will fall down. So instead of throwing, you will write, please write here, fall down. So its correct option will be option B, fall down. Next question. What is shown in this diagram? So in this diagram, we see it is a diagram of spring balance. So its correct option is option C, spring balance. Friction is dash and dash, more or less, friend or and foe, both 1 and 2, or option D, none of these. So students, we know that friction is our friend and foe. So its correct option will be option B. Next question. Rolling friction is more than static friction, equal to static friction, less than static friction, sometimes more than static friction, and sometimes less than static friction. So students, we know that rolling friction is less than static friction. So its correct option will be option C. Next question. Friction is a friend or a foe? Friend, foe, or friend and foe, or none of the above. So students, we know that friction is a friend and foe. So its correct option will be option C. Next question. Why is it difficult to walk on a smooth and wet floor? Due to more friction, due to very less friction, due to gravity, or option D, none. So students, we know that it is difficult to walk on a smooth and wet floor due to very less friction. So its correct option will be option B. Next question. The food in the food pipe is pushed forward during digestive process by friction force, muscular force, contact force, or all of these. So students, we know that the food in the food pipe is pushed forward during digestive process by muscular force. So its correct option will be option B. Next question. Which is the method to reduce friction? Use of lubricant, smooth surface, ball and bearing, all of the above. So we know that by using lubricant, by smoothing surface, and by using ball and bearing, we can reduce friction. So its correct option will be option D, all of the above. Next question. Why Gurmeet slipped from the banana peel during recess? Due to increased friction, due to decreased friction, increased gravitational force, decreased gravitational force. So students, we know that we slip from banana peel due to decrease in friction. So its correct option will be option B. Next question. The pressure applied by liquids with the increase in depth decreases, remains same, increases, or depend on the nature of the liquid. So students, we know that pressure applied by liquids with the increase in depth, it increases. So its correct option will be option C, increases. So students, today we have solved important multiple choice questions of 3 chapters. That is chapter 9, reproduction in animals, chapter 11, force and pressure, and chapter 12, friction. So students, in our next video we will solve our remaining chapters. So thanks for watching our video.